welcome to LA County Parks and Recreation Do-It-Yourself Mother's Day Vase. My name is Jackie and I'll be showing you how to do this project today. So to get started, you're going to need a vase. If you don't have a vase, you can always use whatever you have at home. So maybe you just finished your jar of pickles or jam. So you can just wash that out really well and then dry it, and then you can use it as your vase. If you happen to go to the Dollar Tree or to the 99-cent store, you can pick up a vase, which is where I got these, and we'll get started. So I'm going to use this vase today. I kind of already started it a little bit just to kind of get a head start. So I'm going to use a hot glue gun. If you don't have one, it's okay. You can pick up glue dots, especially if you have little ones. Glue dots are great. They're really sticky. They'll keep all your little stickers or all your little decorations in place. So glue dots are a really good second choice if you don't have a glue gun or if it's not appropriate for your kids. Okay. So to get started, you're going to need ribbon, which I said we get everything either at the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. I got these at the Dollar Tree, so they're really cute. You have lace, sequins, whatever you like, or whatever you know mom likes, that's what you would pick out. So I use this one. It has like little pearls and a little lace on it. And you can always just play around with it to see where you like it. If you like to go up, maybe you like it to go down. However you want to decorate your vase for mom. I like mine on the top, so I've already went ahead and glued that on. So I have that there. Next, you're going to need little craft supplies. So whatever you have at home, or if, like I said, you go to the Dollar Tree, you can pick up some little things there. If you have stickers, stickers are great. Especially pick up things that you know that mom likes. So you know mom likes little glitters or bling bling, how I like to call them. Pick those up. I have little flowers. My mom likes pearls. So I have this one here with pearls. So I'm going to go ahead and open these up. So I can use these for my vase. And when you do your vase, you can decorate it all the way around. You can do one side, you can do 2, 3. However you feel like decorating it for mom. As long as you put some thought into it, you know she's gonna love it. So I want to use one of these pretty purple flowers for my mom. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on the back. When you do use the glue gun, just be very, very careful because it is hot. So be very careful. I'm gonna put glue there. And I want to put it right in the middle of my vase. Just like I said, be very careful because it is hot. Okay. Next, I want to use some little gems. And what I like to do is before gluing it on, because these don't have any adhesive in the back, I like to play around to see, do I like it here? Do I like it there? Maybe I want two, just to make it fun. Remember, it's for mom. So if she likes a lot of decorations or she likes a little bit, so I'm going to put this right on top. Uh-oh. Is that on? There you go. Alright. Next, I'm going to use these little pearls. And what's so great about these pearls is that it comes already in sticker form. And what's even better is you can cut them out to little individuals. Put a few around the face. And you can do it however you like. There's no wrong way to do this, okay? I think I like one more there. And I know my mom likes butterflies. So I got these neat ones here. And I'm going to choose, let me see, let me pour some out. Since I have a purple flower, I guess I'll pick a purple butterfly. Yeah, I like that spot in the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and put the butterfly there. All right. That looks pretty cool. I think my mom's gonna like that. All right, so the next thing you're going to do, once you're done decorating your vase, and like I said, you can do the whole vase, one side, two sides, however you feel. You're going to do the flowers next. So you have different options for the flowers. You can cut some out of your garden if you have some at home. You can purchase them at the store, or Dollar Tree has these great looking ones. You can have a vase there. Or what I like to do are chocolate flowers. So I add a little bit of rose scented potpourri, or sometimes they have these cool little, like for the fish tank, but you can also use them for this here, for the vase. I use the rose potpourri. It smells so beautiful, like roses. So the next thing you want to do is make your chocolate roses. So for that, you're going to need some kisses. You're going to need some kebab skewers. You're going to need some tissue, like gift wrapping tissue, which I've already cut out into squares. They don't have to be perfect, okay? You can do many different colors, whatever kind you have. I even found this really neat, like shimmery, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really pretty. It has like a purpley, bluish, pink, iridescent type effect to it. It's really pretty, so I like to use that as well. So I'm going to make a purple rose for my mom. So you grab two. Like I said, they don't have to be perfectly cut out. And you might need a little bit of help for this one. So I like to grab a kiss. On the top, just open it a tiny, tiny bit. And the pointy part of the kebab stick, I like to do this on the table so I don't hurt myself, is just stick it right on top. So now it holds there. You want to pinch the foil back, just in case mom doesn't eat all her chocolates immediately. You grab another one, the flat, you put it on top of that flat. Kind of use your fingers to hold it in place. You grab your two squares of tissue paper. You want to go ahead and put it over. Bring it down. Just kind of twist it around. And then to tie it, you've all seen these at the store, the little hair ties. They look like little rubber bands. They also come in different colors. I have mine here already. You grab one, kind of stretch it out on your fingers, bring it into your rose, just kind of go around it, like when you tie your hair in a ponytail, just keep trying until it gets really tight. Now you have your chocolate rose. I went ahead and made a few already. So now you have a full vase of chocolate roses. And for a little extra special touch, you can use another kebab stick. I have a yellow piece of paper, just kind of cut out into a heart shape. You can use glue to glue it on top. Write a little message for mom. I added a little ladybug and it says, "Happy Mother's Day, Mom, I love you. And throw that in. And there you have it. An easy Mother's Day vase.